Unless, Tina Chin, there is a big rope for you to hang yourself, I believe that, in myself, I believe that you really need to get sued. I don't believe if you got a public notice, why is you over on YouTube and you showing in that woman's house and have Salonie face on it? I think you just going beside yourself, and I'm starting to hate it because I don't think that you should be doing the shit that you're doing, and it pisses me off. And I really feel like if you are making money on YouTube because you're monetized, I feel like there is time now that you need to go on and save all your money, because I really do feel like they need to sue you. They need to sue you. And I'm not lying. And I swear to God, on your soul, I don't care about you. I don't care for you. But I'm not going to be like your friend that say the Lord is taking all day or he's taking his time and not working fast enough. I would never say that. And with things like these, you're going to make the people feel like you are somebody. You are dusty. You are dusty. You a clout chaser. You don't have nothing. You is a basement rat. Does it make yourself feel better to put that businesswoman, anything of hers, up that's on social media, on your page on YouTube for a background to talk shit? On my mama, on my daddy, on everybody who have lost their life in this whole entire world. I swear to God on them. And they riding with me. Tina Chin, Marion Walters, I really believe that you need to be sued. And I'm saying this Sunday morning, bright. I'm saying this, and I'm going to walk, when I get home from work, I'm going to walk all over social media so pissed off because you over there on YouTube, you posting up Chris shit, and then you got that woman's house. I don't care. You got that businesswoman house up on a green screen over there on YouTube. Like, what's going on? And if it's no changes to it, I'm going to start acting dark and stupid. And I swear to God I am. Because you got a public notice last year. The only person I'm not going to go in front of his face is the Most High. Because he know what time is striking. But I swear on everything that I love. And I'm not going to keep this in and make it fester into my head by morning. I think you are a low and dirty piece of shit. You could never add up. You should be embarrassed for posting Kia on your shit and acting like that man don't look better than you in a goddamn dress. You are one of the most disgusting balls and cock rider I have ever seen in my whole entire life. And as soon as these people from the last 5 years starting to think and be like the people that truly know you for the last 14 years, your shit, you will eat it out here. And I promise you on everything that I love. I don't care how long it takes. I would not care how long it takes. And I dare one of them, any one of them who believe in you to run up my way and see what pop out here. Because you dumb. And it's obvious that businesswoman don't see her living room or whatever that's in her house on your page. And that not supposed to go on. You was a weak, dirty bungle that came from Jamaica. And got a blight and an opportunity over here. You should not have nothing of that woman and what's in her house, what she put out here. You should not use it as a green screen. Chris don't need to talk to you. He need to get in touch with every authority. And I dare one of them, because I ain't in they stupid ass business. Because anybody knows anything about anybody, they would have brung it to the storefront. I don't deal with fuckery. You sucking, Tina Chin, you is sucking. Even though Kia hiding his dick, and no disrespect, but look at you in it. You trying to, you move in that man panties that he's wearing now with his down your goddamn throat, and you don't know that man from nowhere. You run into everybody the same way. You dusty piece of on this Sunday morning. I don't know if anybody gonna wake up who truly got respect for one woman to see this and just be quiet or something like that. I don't like none of that shit. None of it. From who I am out in the street, and to watch a dumb bitch like this do what she doing, and then when she got a public notice last year and everybody walking across it, I feel some type of way about it. That broke ass bitch named Tina Chin who sell this drug key at them. The Lord know why I'm feeling this way. Because just last year, Tina Chin was scared and would have never done nothing like this. She went to the extra level. And I don't like that, man. Y'all can kiki all day. All you Jamaican people can kiki all goddamn day long. That shit ain't funny. And she wouldn't be doing it to nobody else. And ain't nothing sweet about my Aunt Anita. And you gonna hang yourself, Marion Walters. This should show every authority that that woman did not want you to call her name. And yet you go into her bedroom. And you have it on a fucking green screen. If we not live bumbleclot, careless life out here, then I'm just gonna be this way. Because you know something? Even when people talk nice to y'all, y'all don't get it. So it don't matter. I'm so highly pissed, and the Lord knows it. So if you're a human walking around and acting like you don't understand what's going on, I'm going to have y'all to get out my face. The Lord ain't never going to do nothing before the time, but certain things not supposed to be going on. Tina Chin was afraid of the fucking public notice that that businesswoman sent. Isn't that her chair on her green screen over there? The bitch ain't had nothing to discuss. Let me tell you why Chris is gonna be better than you, you stupid, lower than a curb bag, dirty ass bitch. Let me tell you something, Tina Chin. His apology, and if nobody don't want to take it, fuck him. All Chris got to do is leave it up to Jesus, and that's it. Ah, you fuck ass hoes out here on this Sunday morning brawling. Cause no matter what a pussy wall infested ringworm bitch said, she could never be like my auntie out here. I'm just pissed off. Then she worrying about her fucking life every day. And worrying this, that, and the third. Talking about people fucking with her. When the bitch got a public notice. Now she got stuff that's in the businesswoman living room. While the business auntie is busy. And she doing what she got to do with her 15 and more job, bitch. Don't think nobody wasn't going to say nothing about it, bitch. You, hey, because I don't like that, Tina. If you got a public notice, why are you going across it and trying to beating up yourself? You should feel bad about a man putting on fucking woman clothes and got a dick between his legs. You don't know him from no goddamn where, and you all down to people's fucking business. Only think you not take disadvantage of that businesswoman and a bluntly disrespect. You not disrespect on a cloth self. You hear that? Whatever apology that you fucking laughing and all of this shit for, Tina, I will leave Chris right there where he'll fuck you up with him just doing his business and keeping silent. You must go the fuck down. You're a felon. And Trump need to send your fucking ass home. And while the FBI giving, all these people, they need to go on and give you some back fucking charges because you was a drug that brings stuff on your person. And this ain't the first time you've been doing it. And if all of y'all gonna wake up and be on social media and know what's going on and gonna hear this, y'all better go on about yourselves, for real. Go on about yourselves before I sell some bricks of truth over into where the fuck y'all at. Because some I wanna feel like on a nice. I wanna like where I go on. Who the fuck is Uno if him apologize? And so, to blood clot. You know, see a girl I try to make money over Chris head. Me tell Chris, Chris, come and go pan TikTok and put me over there. I'm gonna class up Mary and Walters and you get your money. I don't want none. That's all for you. And it I go leave some people fuck up with them there. Cause nobody now go fucking listen to that shit. If bumbleclad people know things about people, they wouldn't talk up long time. You don't believe in people like blood clot that. They never have a problem or emergency. All of this is clot social media. You think God works, so? You think God works blood clot, so? This piece of shit. Yo, Chaw. Chaw. Yo, real people vexing her. Real Chaw. Me said the little dirty blood clot Tina Chin. She there over there. She's a fucking stalker. She get to the level where she can go in at the business auntie house and screenshot and blood clot, put it on green screen and attack with Salonie face span it little bit. Go suck your blood clot self. Bitch coming out go tell you go suck out your mama. Me not know nothing about the blood clot germs there, bitch. Now your pooper. Me not have none. Whore. What do you call that in the eyes of the law? What Tina Chin, Marion Walters is doing? Tell me. Fuck social media. They allow y'all to do things and to witness shit that is never come up here and I sound like this. Them bitches them hoes get scared. I fucking hate it. And the Lord know. Under the sound of my voice, what it sound like? Hey. Cha. You disrespectful, underprivileged, lower than a curb, ugly ass, ringworm infested ass, AIDS ass bitch, AIDSy ass bitch. You ain't got shit in your house that you could put up on your own goddamn green screen. That old nasty ass bed that you done put some fucking curtains up. Everything is leaking through that shit, bitch. You underprivileged. You're trying to play keeper. Bet your fucking self. And I'll bet mines. Put me on a fucking chopping board. If I fucking lie, you just take my neck off. I wouldn't give a shit. Stupid bitch. To find that woman that was telling you about yourself. All of y'all fake. Get the fuck up and go to church and say, Lord, forgive me. Because this little girl out here, she's saying something and none of y'all don't want to fucking listen. Shut up and go to church. Get the fuck up and go to church and respect the Lord like I do. That's what y'all need to do. If you not sit down and take shit, what only thing can I do? I'm not eating shit. You don't have anything in your house to put up, Tina? In other people in basement? You underprivileged, hood-sucking bitch. Your teeth them yellow, you look bad. You think if me wear dress and me get up and go party, me I go put up one man with a dress on for make me look blood clot bad because you do. And this ain't got nothing to do with Kia. Because I don't know him. And even if I had a transition and put my dick and put a dick on and put my pussy to the side, guess what? I would say the same thing. So it's not about Kia. It's about that dirty fucking germs. That dirty Jamaican gal there. You know what upset me? The public notice and how Tina was reacting when she found out one woman was coming to handle her business and the bitch started getting scared. I was loving it. Now I'm waiting for the full force of it. I'm just pissed off. You see why I say that's my auntie? Because these hoes feel like that's a businesswoman, goddamn. Versus a hoe that use her mouth and that's her only profession, and the success that she got out of it, she got locked up. What are we doing? I somehow on a blood clot man for leave on. On a husband need for leave on to blood clot. And if I want man we make on have nothing, they need to go somewhere else. On a dirty child. You know, a dirty blood clot Jamaican. I'm leaving from over here because I can't tolerate that shit. And God know that I understand. But the thing that's going to save my mouth versus, you know, when people talk, they water people business down. You don't want to be around them type of people. It's the fact that I was in the asset protection and I dealt with all of what I needed to deal with. And I apprehend who I need to fucking apprehend. The police would understand who's talking. It's negative and it's a stench out here. And it's bully fuckingism. And I don't like it. But them bitches ain't bullying one woman. They know it. They not. On my soul and theirs. They're not. I'm in a business about people. That's why I come out here for one thing. And the Lord let me gain. Una go and ditch her. Una go and leave this world being a fucking hypocrite. And if una think una got heaven by own pretend and things like that, make a blood clot spin around and come back and come make it right with people, because that's what the Lord is looking for. I know. If God is a forgiving God, who the fuck is Tina Chin? And let Chris Lord not be embarrassed of nothing about an apology that he made, and I ain't in his business. Me know what me I say. You can't blood clot sit down there. Think the Lord coming from out the skies? You don't think he here already? You see all me know? My challenge, you know, ask me what I would have done. Somebody say that they're gonna kill me, and the businesswoman not to do nothing. You know how upsetting that is? Here's what coming out of Tina Chin mouth. Yeah, bitch, I'm gonna put up. Yeah, I'm gonna put up. Because that's Salonie's face. Man to have a leather blood clot brown couch in our house will look good. What is it doing on Tina Chin green screen and making money? That's the last bitch that needs to make no money. Calling that businesswoman name after she said she wanted to kill her. Y'all think it's a motherfucking game? Okay.